He let little Muhammad, peace be upon him, sit on his cushion in front of the Kaaba, a place where even his own sons were not permitted. He would say,
"Leave my son alone. By Allah, one day he will have a great name and honor."
2 years later, Abdul Muttalib passed away. One by one, those he loved were taken. As if Allah was sending a message, "I am your only true support." At 8 years old, the Prophet, peace be upon him, moved into the home of his uncle Abu Talib, a humble home where many nights they rose from the table still hungry. But Abu Talib treated his nephew as his own son, and sometimes even favored him above his own children. The boy asked to shepherd the sheep, not as a burden, but to ease the family's hardship. Through shepherding, he learned patience, responsibility, and deep reflection under the open sky.